Hello class 2, welcome to your GK class children. So today in this class we will do exercise number 2 of the chapter 26. In the previous class we have started with page number 40 and chapter number 26, and the name of the chapter is skeleton, isn't it? So children, take a pencil in your hand and open your book at page number 41. Today we are going to do this exercise. I'm not going to scare you. Okay? Don't get afraid. This is the structure of a human being. Okay? The bony framework. Okay, we will do this page today. That is page number 41. Take out your book. Open your book at page number 41, and the chapter that we were discussing is this one, isn't it? 26. Chapter 26. So let us do. I'll read the question for you first, then we will do the exercise together. Okay. See the number 2. The question is, this is a drawing of a human skeleton. Okay. Can you name the parts? Now you have to name the parts of the skeleton. Okay. So are you all ready? I hope you all are ready for the exercise. So you can see that here it has all the parts that you have to name are labeled, isn't it? Are numbered. Okay. All the numbers are given here accordingly, A, B, C, D. Here you can see A, B, C, D. Okay, shown by different parts. So here what you have to do is, in front of A you have to write what is number A shown in this picture. Like this is number A, isn't it? So which part of the body is shown by number A? Suppose then here number A is given. Clear? Here you can see all the names are given, isn't it? So from here you have to choose and write. So you can see here skull, SKULL, skull. So skull protects our head, isn't it? Skull protects our head, means our brain also. So this way here A you have to write this side skull. Beside A you have to write skull. Which part is shown by A? That is skull. So you will write here skull. Write down, and the spelling you will find here SKULL, skull. Clear? The same way you have to write the rest up to number N. Fine. So let us do together. The first one we will write A will be skull. SKULL, skull. Write like this. Clear? A is skull. Then see number B. So here number B we can find this portion, isn't it? Finger. So which part is this? Let us check here. We will check here. We can see number B is this. We know these are fingers, isn't it? So let us find out finger bone. See the second last. This second last. Finger bone. So in front, beside B you will write finger, FINGER, finger bone, BONE, written S, finger bones. B is finger bones. This is finger bones. Okay. Finger bones. Done. Now see number C. Number C. This is number C. Isn't it? Which bone is this? Collarbone. It is collarbone. Isn't it? This is the collar. You say your uniform, your shirt, it has got collar, isn't it? So this portion, this is actually named after this collarbone. Okay. So you write C. So here you will write collarbone. Now you search here. C, collar. So you write down. This is COLLAR, collar bone, 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 collarbone. Done. Now come to number C is done. Number D, this part. Number D. This is number D. Which part is this? Search here. So number D is upper arm bone. Upper arm bone. Write down upper, the last one. Okay, UPPER, upper arm, 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 bone, BONE, bone. Upper arm bone. Done. Then see number E. Find out number E. Number E. Here see this part, isn't it? Number E. Find out. Number E is breastbone. Okay. Write down number E, breastbone. BREASTBONE, breastbone. Now see number F. Number F. Number F. Yes, number F are ribs, isn't it? So RIBS, they are called ribs. Small bones. Done. Now after this we have done F. Now G. G, this is elbow joint. This part is shown, isn't it? This one, G. So it is elbow joint. You will find here elbow joint. Write down elbow joint. ELBOW, elbow, JOINT, joint, elbow joint. Done. Now H. G is done. H. H, yes. H we have seen here. So H is what? Backbone. H is backbone. Write down BACK, back, BONE, bone. Number HC. This is backbone. Number H. Done. Number H is backbone. Done. Now come number I. Number I. What is this called? Wrist, isn't it? This is wrist. So this is wrist. So you'll write here number I, wrist bones. WRIST, wrist, BONES, bones. Number I is wrist bone. Now J. Number J. Yes, this is hip bone. Hip bone. This is hip, isn't it? This part of our body is called hip. So this is hip bone. HIP, hip, BONE, bone, hip bone. Done. Next one is K. K. Yes, this is K. This part, isn't it? So this K will be thigh. This is the thigh part, isn't it? So this is thigh bone. THIGH, thigh, BONE, bone. So this is called thigh bone. Done. Is it clear? Thigh bone. Done. K, then L. Now see L showing the knees, isn't it? So it will be knee joint. It is knee joint. KNEEE. KNEE. Knee joint. JOINT, joint. knee joint. This is knee joint. Done? Now comes M. See number M. Number M is, yes, ankle, showing the ankle. So it is ankle joint. Number M. Number M, see properly, is ankle joint. A-N-K-L-E. Ankle. Then J-O-I-N-T. Joint. Ankle joint. Done? Now the last one. N. N. This part below the leg. See, this is the picture of leg, isn't it? So below the thigh we found knees, and below knees this part is called shin. Okay, so this part is called, this is shin bone. S-H-I-N, shin bone. B-O-N-E, bone. Shin bone. This is shin bone. This part. This part. Okay, this part. It is called shin bone. So children, we have completed exercise number 2, where we have labeled the name of all the bones, isn't it? Shown by given numbers like A, B, C, D from A to N. Okay, now read it properly, write it down neatly, and the writing should be legible also. So thank you, have a nice day.